2023, and it's Christmas Eve, so Merry Christmas Eve, boos. So today I'm gonna be baking a cake. Yes, I'm gonna do an upside down pineapple cake, and I'm gonna do that later, but I just want to start the intro like early. So I did my makeup. I didn't do anything special, but I did simple glam. Christmas Eve, look at that glow, boo boo. And I got a pajama set and it showed out yesterday. My mom ordered it for me. It's this little kit thing from Target, and it was online, and it's $20. You get a little bag, drawstring bag, and you get a pajama set. So I ordered an extra small and it just fits. Like hopefully I don't gain weight or anything, then the shirt won't fit. So this is like the shirt, and it's the like soft material, like, you know, the pajama pants, like that soft material. So this is an extra small. So I'm gonna wear this tonight. So I wake up in the morning with my pajamas. Oh wait, why did I do that? And I came with the shorts. I really wanted like these kind of shorts because my boyfriend, we're trying to like kind of match. Because he has like kind of different pajamas, but I wanted to like kind of match with them. So these were like the closest thing I can get. And I wanted the ones from Holster, but they're out. So I got the ones from here, and they're an extra small, and they fit perfectly. I think I probably needed a small, but you know, we don't got time because like things close and I won't have it in time. So I just got an extra small, but I think I'm pretty sure I needed a small. Looked like I went to a salon and got my nails done, but you know, actually I really didn't. So I'm gonna turn on my tree. I got the dad. It's like always a struggle to turn on that tree. I already know. Whataburger this morning. My dad went to go get Whataburger. I had a bob with French fries, so that's what I had for breakfast. But yeah, guys, look at my lashes. They look really good. Focus. Yeah, look at those lashes. And I did my eyebrows. Hopefully they came out okay. I'll probably get some, but yeah. Yeah, guys, I'll catch y'all probably later on when I'm about to bake. So, love you, boos. And look, I have my sissy right here. We're alone, so we gotta protect each other. She's cool. And I probably might later on today take her a Christmas picture, because I've been meaning to do them this whole month, but just, you know, I just forget. And she's probably like, yes, I'm gonna take them today. Probably like, but tonight I'm gonna take them because, you know, I need to make some cute Christmas card pictures. I'm gonna see, but I don't know. But yeah, guys, I'll catch y'all later on. Hey, boos, I'm back. My boyfriend's on FaceTime, but he's asleep. I don't know if he's watching me or not, but I got my Starbucks mango dragon fruit, and I got a birthday cake pop. My first time trying the birthday cake pop. I'm so excited. My battery's. Hey guys, so it's my first time to try it, so. My mango dragon fruit with lemonade. This is good. Hey, boos, welcome back to my channel. It is later on the day, and we're finally gonna be making the upside down pineapple cake. Yay! And we're gonna also be doing up the little giveaway box I'm gonna do. So look forward toward the end. And yeah, guys, we're gonna start making this cake. So I got to phone my boyfriend, so let's start this thing. So I already have 3 large eggs over here, room temperature. So now we're gonna need 1 cup of water. And first I'm gonna do, my mom said, is to put butter around, and then we're gonna get brown sugar, pineapples. We got that. And I gotta melt some butter. I'm gonna like heat up some butter. Gonna get my bowl. Okay, bowl to mix the cake mix in. Okay, I think that is it. So we're gonna get started. I'm gonna get this bowl right here. Get some butter. I did my nails, so now it's like hard for me to open things up. Clean my fork real quick so I can just see if I did 1 cup. Yeah, a little bit over 1 cup, but you know, it's okay. So we're gonna place brown sugar up in here. Place this to the side over here. And now we're gonna mix up flour cake mix. This is my first time actually making pineapple cake by myself, so hopefully I don't, like, you know, mess up. Okay. Boom. Cake mix. Yummy. So now we're gonna cut this. I made it with love, and I'm actually surprised my dad. This is actually his favorite cake. We're gonna do 1 cup of water. So let me get some water in my thing. 1 cup of water. Check. And then vegetable oil. Check. 1/3 of vegetable oil. Perfect on the spot. You already know Danyel is a baker. This time we do not have to frost. So we're not gonna talk about that. But I mean, we can always do another part baking video of me icing the cake. If you want me to do another one, leave a comment down below. But yeah, okay. I am done with this. Okay, and then we're gonna go for our eggs. With my eggs, I'm motherfucking sweating. So, how do people do it? Ah, shit, look at that. What? Ah. Okay, we got 1 down. That's my first time ever trying that, because I see everybody do that, and I'm always with 2 hands, you know. But, oh yeah. Okay. I don't know why I took the eggs in there. Yeah, buddy. Okay. I like old-fashioned, but we do have one of those. What's it called? Those blenders, like how everybody else has, but I'm not gonna take it out. This is faster and it's hands. So you just hurry up real quick. And that thing's too big to take out. So you never just say that. I got a giveaway box to decorate. And I got the box to decorate to show y'all my appreciation, just a little something. And yeah, so now we're gonna mix. So we're gonna let that sit and let all that stuff come out. Ugh. Yeah, buddy. So, oh shit, put it right here. So now, put this back under. We're gonna get the cake that we have here. And we're gonna place it in. I just put the rest of it in there, and now I'm gonna put it in the oven. So we're gonna have safety first. Pretty scared, but I got this. So now we place it in there. Woo! Yes. So we're gonna let that bake for, honestly, I don't know what kind of pan size that is, but I'm gonna put it for 24 minutes. I don't know for sure. So I'm gonna have my phone thing on. So 5:54. So hey boo, so we're gonna finally decorate the box. So I got this snowflake wrapping paper, if you can see. And I got some stickers just to decorate a little bit. But I want to show y'all what I got. I got some of my favorite things. You know, so we could like twin, because you know, I want y'all to feel like y'all are with me. So I got y'all the Mainstays Favorite Denim candle. If y'all don't remember, I love this candle, so I wanted to give y'all one. So this is what it looks like. So I got y'all the candle of Favorite Denim. I love this candle. So yeah, I got y'all that candle. I got y'all some pink Starburst candies. I got y'all those. I got y'all some hot Cheetos. My guys are gonna be like, I'm so hungry. And I got y'all some Sour Patches, watermelons, because those are my favorite. I got y'all, if whoever wins, if you're a guy or a girl and your girlfriend likes this is the Less Bitter, More Glitter nail file set. So it comes with 2, so you can file your nails, have this in your purse, and it feels really cute. I got y'all some for Rocher, oh no, sorry, but Gold Halls. I got y'all some of that. I got you the Swiss Miss hot chocolate flavor little chocolate mix. You can like probably do a hot chocolate bomb. And I got y'all the Freeman anti-stress clay mat. So I got y'all this, and oh, I forgot, I got y'all a Starbucks gift card. I got y'all a Starbucks gift card, but I gotta find a little thing to put the gift card in. So I got y'all all that just to show y'all how much I appreciate y'all. So we're gonna do this little cute giveaway box. And I got this for the candle, so hopefully it does not break. So I got y'all bubble wrap. But first, we're gonna wrap. I didn't even get scissors or tape. What am I thinking? I've been wrapping this whole time and I didn't get scissors or tape. My scissors got my tape, check. So, and I just can't believe this, guys. We hit 1K. I'm so happy. So, I'm gonna do the ciphers. How I'm gonna do this? Okay, well then I guess I'll just do the straps real quick, because I'm not sure how I'm gonna really do this, but I'm gonna try to keep it as clean as possible. So I'm wrapping to my boots, and of course I'm gonna write a handwritten letter, so I'm gonna do that like later on. Hey Luz, I just got a timer, my phone went off, and we're gonna take out the cake. And now your racks, we can place the cake on. I checked it to see if it's still good, so it's fully cooked. Now I'm gonna get it. Oh my goodness. And I'm doing the giveaway box right now. This is what it's coming out to right now. I'm still doing this side, and I gotta do the inside too. So I'll show when I'm finished with the box so we can finally, like, decorate, so you know, the goods. So yeah, look at my tree. Look, we got some presents under there, but they're not all of them, so I'll show you guys in a bit. Hey boo, so I finally got it done, and I freaking broke a nail, but I'm gonna have to glue it back on. But here what it looks like. I'm sorry it looks kind of ugly, but I tried my best. But yeah, now I'm gonna put some stuff in there. So I'm putting in some cotton right now to like make it look like snow. I'm just pulling out as much cotton. Cheetos, got a face mask, got some candy, got a gift card, the candle, and then Sour Patch, and then I'll put the letter in here. So it's gonna look super cute, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Today was a long process, like, oh. Let's go check on the cake. Oh, what happened? Well, that's the cake. Guys, my nail hurts so bad. Look, it freaking pop off. Hey, Lou, so I had to change the battery because it was dying. But yes, I'm finally finished. So I hope you guys liked the gift surprise thing. It looks super cute. So to remind y'all how to win is, don't forget to enter this giveaway is go on my Instagram, follow me, and go on my recent picture and comment gift box, a red little gift box. Don't forget to like this video. So don't forget to enter, guys, to win the giveaway. Yeah, should I flip the cake over now? I'll probably show y'all the cake tomorrow, how it looks, because I want it to settle and stuff. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Please turn on your bell notifications to be notified every time I post a new video. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye!
Hurry up.